ERC-20 tokens are among the most frequently stolen assets in the crypto industry, and even some of the updates intended to fix the issues are inadvertently facilitating theft. The Ethereum network's near-ubiquitous token standard accounted for 89.5% of the $71.5 million worth of crypto lost to phishing scams in March, according to Scam Sniffer. These tokens were stolen as a result of victims unwittingly being phished and approving functions like permit and increase allowance. Functions intended to enhance the token standard's efficiency have introduced new vulnerabilities. First introduced back in 2015, ERC-20 tokens are full of gaping security holes, with little chance of a fix anytime soon. The problem is because of historically bad decisions in ERC-20 and Ethereum designs. Miko Otama, co-founder of algorithmic investment protocol trading strategy, tells Magazine. He says issues related to token design are mainly a problem specific to Ethereum and, to a lesser extent, Solana. The issue has been fixed on other chains like Multiverse X, Radix, Cosmos-based ones, and so on, Otama says. But the immutable nature of smart contracts complicates efforts to rectify ERC-20's flaws.